You've been setting tire pressure wrong your entire life, and it's quietly costing you money, destroying your tires, and making your car handle like garbage. Yeah, even if you use the number on the door sticker, especially if you use the number on the door sticker. Let me explain. Most people say, I just set it to 32 PSI like the sticker says. Seems logical, right? Here's the problem. That number is not your tire's optimal pressure. It's the minimum safe pressure for the absolute worst-case load your car can carry. Meaning, 5 adults, full trunk, highway speeds, maximum weight. That's what that number is designed for, not you driving to work alone with a backpack. I learned this the expensive way. I bought brand new premium tires, rated for 60,000 miles. I checked the pressure every month, set them exactly to 32 PSI, rotated them on schedule, did everything right. At 18,000 miles, the outer edges were bald, completely cooked. Centers still had tread, edges gone. Tire shop says, you need new tires. I'm furious. I asked the tech what happened. He asks one question. What pressure are you running? 32, like the sticker. He just shakes his head. There's your problem. Here's what's happening. When pressure is too low for your actual load, the sidewalls flex, the tire squishes outward, the edges carry most of the weight, so instead of wearing evenly, you grind off the shoulders first. Exactly what happened to me. And here's what nobody tells you. Tires care about tire specs, not your door sticker. Look at your sidewall. You'll see something like max pressure 44 PSI or 51 PSI cold. That's the tire's true capability. For most passenger tires, the sweet spot for even wear, better MPG, sharper handling is often a bit below that max, not way down at 30 to 32 PSI. Usually somewhere in the high 30s to low 40s. Not over the max, never do that. So I tested it. New tires. Instead of 32 PSI, I tried 40. After 35,000 miles, perfectly even wear. Fuel economy improved too. Went from 26.4 mpg to 28.1. That's over 6% better. Between fuel savings and longer tire life, almost $300 a year saved. From air. Free air. And the car felt better, steering sharper, less squishy in corners, more stable at highway speed. Yeah, the ride got a tiny bit firmer, but honestly, totally worth it. Now, hold up, don't go blasting your tires to 50 PSI. A few rules. Never exceed the tire's max pressure. Check pressure cold, not after driving. Add pressure if you're carrying heavy loads. Expect pressure to drop in winter about 1 PSI per 10 degrees. Sports cars may already be dialed in. And remember, your TPMS light, that's not maintenance. It only turns on when you're about 25% low. By then, damage is already happening. Use a real gauge. Check monthly. Here's an easy way to find your sweet spot. Start with the door number. Add about 4 to 6 PSI. Drive for a few weeks. Check wear. Edges wearing faster, add a little. Center wearing faster, reduce a little. Dial it in. Most people land somewhere between 36 and 42 PSI. The door sticker isn't wrong, it's just conservative. It's built for liability and comfort, not efficiency, not longevity, not performance. If you want your tires to last longer, save gas, and handle better, you've got to optimize it yourself. Proper tire pressure is basically free tire life, free MPG, free performance, and it takes 5 minutes. If this just saved you from burning through a $1,000 set of tires, hit like, subscribe, and I'll show you the next mistake that's secretly wrecking your car. Trust me, it's another one everyone makes.